Here is a wonderful 2017 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take your spirit of adventure with you into town or off-road when you're at the wheel of this versatile Tacoma. With a reputation for ruggedness and a suite of driver assistance features to keep you focused, this midsize pickup has you covered. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers. You need practical, but you want fun. Don't miss out. Get the best of both worlds when you get into this super versatile Tacoma. Come in and meet our expert team. We know what it takes to give you an outstanding test drive experience.